Okay, so I figured it out. That's it. Like, all that messy stuff that I just did was so stupid, but whatever.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So today, I went shopping and I got some Fenty. Rihanna Fenty. This is my first time ever trying it. I heard so many good things about it. My box just came. I'm so excited. Look, y'all. But anyways, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Anyway, so let's do this. It came, y'all. So I'm just gonna do like an unboxing and maybe try some on. The first thing is, I forgot what I bought, y'all. The body locker. Brown sugar. We're gonna see. I don't even know how to open it. Like, for real, how you open it? Oh, I see. So, never been so excited. It's Christmas for me. Ooh, beautiful, just beautiful, y'all. So here we have it. We got the brown sugar. So this is supposed to be like a little shimmer. Let's see. Shake, shake. Ooh, came out too much. I like that color, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. And it smells. It smells good. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna be sparkling, y'all. That is so pretty. Anyways, I put way too much on. So I'm just gonna rub it on my neck. All them freckles. Rub it on my neck and see. The next thing is say what it do. It's a makeup refreshing spray. Lord knows I need it. You know, sometimes the makeup it just be trying to cake up. Like, don't do that. So that is so cute. A little mister. Oh my God, it smells good too. It smells bomb. So that's cute. Got the little mister and it smells so good. The next thing is, it came in this little thing. I don't know what this is. I know she gave like some free stuff. So it's eye primer. I never used eye primer before. I didn't even know that that was a thing. Sorry, I have to smell it. I'm like, she making everything smell so good. So anyway, this one is a kabuki buff. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Got the brush, y'all. Oh, feels good already. So here's a brush. What's this? I think this is one of the gifts she. This is one of the gifts she gave. So cute. It's a fly liner, long-lasting liquid eyeliner. Ooh, look at that. Bomb. Just bomb, y'all. Okay. Okay, so all this stuff was $216. That's how much I paid for all of this. And this is Hydrated Long Wear Foundation. Okay, so everything is opened at the bottom for some reason. So I tried to buy out the whole Rihanna store, y'all. So this is the foundation. Let's hope that this is my color, y'all, because y'all know I be going through it with the colors, like dark, light, like all this hyperpigmentation, freckles. Okay, and I can't open it. What's really going on? Interesting. Wait. Very confusing. Oh my god, like how do you open it? And it's all over my fucking hand.
Really, nigga?
That just pissed me off. Okay, so yeah. Anywho, that was my foundation. Okay, so I figured it out. See?
Really, nigga?
Like all that messy stuff that I just did was so stupid, but whatever. Bam. Like, figured that out after the fact of the video. Whatever. It's cool. Okay. Okay. So it's not like a thick type of foundation. It's really light. And I think that's a good thing because some foundations be too thick, too creamy. This was more like watery, you know? I think it matches for the most part. Should have put some on my forehead. I was a little scared because I really don't know my color. Especially ordering online and doing that little true match test. I wasn't too sure. But yeah, I think it's cool. I think it matches perfectly. Pretty cool. And this brush, baby. Baby, this is bomb. Look at this though. Like, what am I supposed to do? That's way too much makeup. Ugh. Too much. But I'm just gonna put it on my face because I have nowhere else to put it. Way too much. I don't even put that much makeup on. Not gonna waste it, y'all. That's what I'm not finna do. But I really gotta figure out how to get the damn thing off. So I figured it out, because that's just weird. Wow, do y'all see that? Just beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. All I can say is wow. That's all I can say. Just wow. Look at that. Wow. It's like a shiny finish. I'm in love, y'all. Absolutely in love. I think it actually matches. But yeah, like I said, I don't put that much foundation on. I had nowhere else to put it though. Like, it's still a lot on my hand. Like, ugh. That's so much makeup. But like I said, I'm not gonna waste it. So anyway, still have more. So this is a instant retouch concealer. Baby, I didn't know nothing about the concealer because I'm like, okay, I don't want to get it too light because as y'all can see up there, super light. Like, check it out. I already got my damn eyelashes on. Check it out, check it out. Ooh. Love it. Yes. Okay. Okay, look at this concealer, y'all. That's pretty cool. I think I could have got it a little lighter. Just a little tad bit lighter. It's a 390. 390 shade. I think I could get it a little lighter. Just a tad bit. Yeah. Okay, so my last thing is, wow. When they say that her makeup is the shiznai, it's the shiznai. Yes. Okay. Little lash trying to come off. But yeah. Okay. Okay, anyways. So my last thing is this is the instant retouch setting powder. It's the shade banana. Banana, banana, banana. Oh my god, look how cute that is. I always get scared about the powder because too scary. Oh, came with that. What's that? I'm gonna keep that on there because I'm not sure about that. Powder. Ooh, okay. Let me stop. I'm just gonna some setting powder, y'all. Powder. Perfect. Oh. Ugh, I hate that. My mom's gonna kill me. Okay. So, and then it came with a bag to put everything in. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so this is so cute. She gave me all this stuff. But anyways, that's it. That's it. So that's everything. I'm excited. Kind of sad that I didn't get, you know, any highlighters, because I would love to see, you know, like what type of highlighter she has. But anyways, I'm satisfied. So happy. Like, I'm gonna really do my makeup, like fix myself, because I was just letting y'all see what the fuck I had. But yeah, it's been real. I'm gonna go, y'all. Shout out to these earrings though from Stinking Trinket. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And yeah, if y'all want some Fenty, they was having a big ass sale. I'm telling you, it was a good ass sale. But I'm pretty sure they still have a sale. Check it out. Yeah. Do y'all see? Oh my god. Do y'all see the results? Anyways, it's been real, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.